मेरा टॉय है, ये मेरा टॉय है, ये मेरा टॉय है। भैया बचाओ।
Pratyush, we have to do something.
Yes, sure. We will have to make a new toy for them. Guys, we are going to make a Spidy Robot. To make it, we need 2 cardboard pieces, 6 paper clips, 2 rubber bands, a battery, a motor, and a propeller, and a glue stick.
So guys, to make the spider robot, we'll first straighten these paper clips to make the legs of the spider, and then we'll attach these paper clips to the cardboard and make it its legs. So Pratyush, please put the glue. Yes. And after that, we'll get a structure like this. So friends, now we've got the base ready. Now we'll attach the battery onto it and make it work. So guys, we have attached a hobby motor on this model with the help of a paper clip again. And now we'll fix the battery with the rubber bands on this model and close to this motor. And so it will go.
Ideally, we could also use a switch, a battery cap, but to make it simple, we will just attach the battery directly to it. So guys, our Spider Robot is ready.
This fan will act as a propeller. It will push the air in the backward direction and our Spidy Robot should move in the forward direction.
Sure, and now let's see if Newton's third law of motion works.
Yes, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So
So guys, now let's rock.
छोड़ दो
So guys, the Spider Bot is not working.
its propeller is not working nicely. There must be some other way to do it. Huh?
Yeah,
Let's
think
try.
Yeah, let's just try. So guys, now we have attached another propeller. Now let's see if it works.
This is a kind of a disbalanced propeller. Before we were using a balanced propeller.
Now let's see if it works.
Is he strong? Listen, bud. He's got radioactive blood.